Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to bring object to bottom in Inkscape. First we need to do is create objects, so I will create here one rectangle, so I will do it now. And maybe I'm going to add one circle, so for example I will create here one circle and I change color of this object to red to be more readable. Okay, so if you would like to change position of this red circle, you need to go to selector tool and select your circle. Then you need to go to the upper side and here you have something like object. You need to open this one option and now you must click here lower to bottom. Like you see, the position has been successfully changed here, and of course the second option is to click on this object and you can go here to object and select here lower. But remember that sometimes you have multiple objects and then you will need to select this option multiple times. So the first method is the recommended method. Okay, so that's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.